So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, make sure you like and share, make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend on our Swiss franc JPY. So now let's start with the higher time frame on our Swiss franc JPY. So first thing first, before you take a trade, you need to know one thing, and which is what is it. So you don't take a trade without knowing. You would want to know what the trend is. And as you can see on this our Swiss franc JPY, we are in an uptrend move. So Swiss franc JPY is what's clearly trending to the upside. Now guess what our market is going to be for us for this week? This week will be a bearish move for us on our Swiss franc JPY. So we are going to be explaining why we will be expecting such a move. Now, this is our trend. Let's start from here for quick analysis. For quick analysis, we'll start from here. So this is seen as impulsive move, right? So within this impulsive move that I just mentioned, once you go down to your forward time frame, you will clearly see that there is a series of higher high and higher low. Now, this is it right here. So when you go to your forward time frame, you will see that markets actually did a series of higher high and higher low, right? You can see it right here. Series of higher and higher low markets did give us that movement. Now this is a corrective phase. So within this corrective phase, you will see a series of lower low and a lower high on your forward time frame. Once you go down to your forward time. Now here comes the impulsive move, which is what a series of higher high and higher low. Markets give us a series of higher high and higher low, right? Especially when you go to your forward time frame. Now this is a corrective phase, which is the pullback phase, right? Now, guys, take a look at this moment right here. So this is a pullback rate, which is a series of lower low and lower high. Now, here comes the impulsive move. So when you look at this, your impulsive move, when you go down to your forward time frame, you will clearly see it. Market did give us a series of higher high and higher low, right? Once you go to your forward time frame, you see it. Series of higher high and higher low that market did give us. Now, guess what market is doing currently? Market is currently giving us a corrective phase, which is a pullback phase. So currently market is playing a corrective phase, which is pullback phase. Once market finish playing the pullback phase, right, which is going to be giving us a series of lower low and a lower high, especially when you go down to your 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame. Later on, maybe in 2 or 3 weeks time, markets will likely push. But for now, market is still giving us a bearish move. So let's see if that bearish move will continue. It is able to tap this our 10 period simple mode average. Now let's go down to the daily time frame, guys. What is market doing right here? You can see it. On Thursday, markets open and close bearish. This is on Friday, markets also open and close bearish. So on this Monday, we should expect markets also open and close bearish. And come see it completely tap this our support level. Then once market taps the support level, I will make sure I let you guys to know if markets will continue to drop or if it will push up. So if you would not want to miss out on that update, it is very simple, guys. Click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now back to our analysis right here on Swiss franc JPY. So with this moment right here, this is a massive sell. This is the first sell. Pullback. This is also a massive sell that market did give us. Now here is the pullback. Market is currently forming a pullback. Once market forms the pullback finish, another sell will most likely go to play. So above all, a bearish move is still what we're expecting. The market is able to drop to a level of 200.869. And once it taps that level, I'll give you guys an update on what will most likely happen next again.